Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Gridwise app to see if it still works for gig D drives in 2025. Whether you're delivering food, ride sharing, or doing errands, managing your earning and mileage can be a hassle. Gridewise promise to simplify that. But devil is up to the hype. Gridewise is designed to help gig workers track mileage, earnings, and expense across multiple platforms like Uber, DoorDash, Instacart, and more. It offers features like automatic mileage tracking, earnings tracking, and tax-friendly reports. The free version is a quite functional, and the premium Gridwise Plus $10 per month or $72 per year adds perks like a gas discount, advanced analytics, and event alerts. Many drivers find value in Gridewise Airport demand data and event tracking, which can help you plan shifts around peak times. Some users report earning up to 40% more per hour after using the app, thanks to smart scheduling and route planning. However, not everyone is smooth sailing. Automatic mileage tracking can be unreliable, and syncing earning is not always seamless. Some drivers have experienced issues with persistent background notifications and inaccurate data syncing. Additionally, customer support has been criticized as slow and unresponsive. Another concern is the app behavior when syncing with gig platforms. Some drivers have reported account issues such as being logged out or red flag as unusual activity, possibly due to how to Gridewise access their accounts. In summary, Gridewise offers useful tools for gig drivers, especially if you work across multiple platforms. The free version provides solid mileage tracking and earning insights. However, if you rely heavily on automatic syncing and need robust customer support, you might want to consider alternatives or using the app with caution. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.